So in this video, I will be discussing about the reasons why the Cognizant can reject you after HR round or after receiving your offer letter. So there are several reasons why Cognizant can reject you after your HR round. So many candidates have been receiving this rejection mail. Okay, after they have cleared their HR round and they have got their offer letter, but still Cognizant is sending a rejection mail to some of the candidates. So guys, this video can be a little bit long, so I will ask for your patience to watch the entire video, otherwise the scenario will be not clear to you. So the several questions, frequent questions I have been getting, that what will happen if I have 1 year education gap after my 12th, and if I have backlogs, will I get rejected or not? So I will discuss every point. So next I will tell you the eligibility criteria. What is the exact eligibility criteria from the official Cognizant team? So the number one point is that 2019, 2020 and 2021 batch of BE BTech, ME MTech, MCA, MSc, ITCS and MS Software Engineering 5-year integrated course degree students only are eligible. If you are not from these courses, you will be receiving the rejection mail, because they will go through each and every point of your application. Consistent academic record of a minimum of 60% in 10th, 12th, diploma, UG and PG. All subjects will be taken into consideration, calculated as below. So in 10, 12, diploma, UG and PG, in all the courses we have to ensure at least 60%. So this is mandatory. So as I have told you before, this video can be a little bit long. So I will ask for your patience to watch the entire video. Otherwise it can be very problematic. Known standing areas in current education. In your BTech course, if you are pursuing BTech, you should not have a arrear or backlogs in your course. Maximum of 2 years gap in education. So the candidates who have been asking that I have 1 year gap in my 12th, so am I eligible or not? Yes, you are eligible. If you have 2 year gap also, you are still eligible. If you have more than 2 years, that can be a problem. So you'll be rejected because of that. So make sure your education gap is less than 2 years, less than or equal to 2 years. At the time of joining, the next point is, at the time of joining, all recruits need to have a minimum 60% aggregate. All subjects will be taken into consideration in the pursuing degree with no standing arrears. Students applied for re-evaluation and waiting for the results should be considered with the initial result score declared. If you have applied for re-evaluation or scrutiny, your results, the initial results will be considered, not the scrutinized marks. Appropriate CGPA to percentage conversion to be considered as per university norms. If you have a CGPA type of system, so ask your university what is the formula to convert your CGPA to a percentage. So depending upon that, you have to calculate your percentage, and they will be checking your percentage based on the university norms. Strong written and communication skills. This is okay. Opportunities are open to Indian nationals only. And students, the next point is that students must upload their resume will be embedded photograph. All academic documents including school certificates and college semester mark sheets, government ID proofs, scanned as one.pdf file during the test registration. I think you are most of it you are aware of this. So this is the basic formalities. Okay, so this was the update from the Cognizant team. That was the eligibility criteria. So the candidates who are asking these questions have now got the answer, that these are the eligibility criteria. If you meet the eligibility criteria, in nowhere you will be rejected after your HR round or after your got your offer letter. And they are rejecting just because some candidates have not read this eligibility criteria and does not meet the eligibility criteria. So that's why they are rejecting the application. Otherwise, there will be no problem from your side. So this was the update. If you have any doubt, you can also watch this Cognizant GNC playlist, which is in my channel. If you want to apply for more opportunities, more jobs, you can access the 2021 off-campus jobs playlist from my channel. And thank you for watching. If this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more future updates.